Hey there, iPad enthusiasts! Excited about the new iPadOS 18? You're not alone. But before you dive in, let's see if your iPad is up for the challenge. So can you install iPadOS 18 on your device? Well, here's the scoop. iPadOS 18 is compatible with quite a few models, but not all. First up, if you own the latest iPad Pro M4, congratulations! You're definitely in the clear. This powerful device is fully equipped to run iPadOS 18 smoothly. Now, for those with the iPad Pro 12.9-inch, you need to have at least the third generation or newer. If your device falls under that category, you're good to go. What about the iPad Pro 11-inch? If you have the first generation or later, you're all set for the upgrade. But what if your iPad isn't listed? Unfortunately, older models won't support iPadOS 18. It's always a good idea to check the model number in your Settings app to be sure. So why upgrade? iPadOS 18 brings a bunch of cool new features like enhanced multitasking, improved widgets, and better privacy controls. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these. To update, just head to Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and follow the prompts. Make sure you have a backup and a good Wi-Fi connection. It's that simple. Alright, that's it for today. Make sure your iPad is ready for iPadOS 18 and enjoy all those fresh new features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.